Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to open a PDF file on your laptop. So it is very simple. Click on your Windows Explorer, then select your PDF file from your folder. In my case, my file on Documents folder, and can click here. Then you can simply double click, and it will be asked for opening this PDF by using default browser. So I have Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, and you can install more applications like Adobe Reader. So in this way, in this video, I'm using Microsoft Edge because most of the Windows OS have this option. So you can click here for just once, or otherwise you can click always. If you click always, whenever you double click on a PDF file, it will be open on Microsoft Edge. But I don't like that. I'm using this option just once. So now Windows Edge is opened, and you can see here is my PDF file. So that's guys very simple tutorial. In this way you can easily open a PDF file on your laptop. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorials, comment below. I will post my replays as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.